Hello my dear students, hope you all along with your family are fine and safe. Myself is Kanti K. Kotyan and the class teacher of second day going to teach you English subject. This is our second standard Bal Bharati English textbook. In this book, first we are going to learn a poem that is bridge. Look at this picture, you can see a bridge. This bridge is built on the river. This allows the people or vehicles to cross from one side to another. Students, now let us learn our first poem in English, that is bridge. Look at the spelling, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. I repeat, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Now, I am going to read this poem. You have to listen carefully. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. I repeat, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Look at the spelling, Christina, Christina Rossetti. Rossetti, Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti is a poetess. Who is called poetess? Let us see. The one who writes the poem, he is called poet or poetess. If he writes the poem, he is called poet. Look at the spelling, P-O-E-T. If she writes the poem, she is called poetess. Look at the spelling, P-O-E-T-E-S-S. Christina Rossetti is a poetess. Okay? Now let me explain this poem. Boats sail on the rivers. Boats sail on the rivers. Students, you can see some boats are sailing on a river. Sail means move smoothly. And ships sail on the seas. And ships sail on the seas. Students, look at here. You can see some ships are sailing on the sea. Sea has more water. The water of the sea is salty to taste. Ship needs more water to sail because ship is so big. But clouds that sail across the sky. Students, you can see some clouds are floating across the sky. Are prettier than these. According to the poetess Christina Rossetti, these floating clouds across the sky are so prettier or more beautiful than moving ships or moving boats. There are bridges on the rivers. Students, can you see a bridge on the river? Yes. As pretty as you please. Here, poetess Christina Rossetti compares bridges to you as you are so pretty. But the bow that bridges heaven. Students, this bow is a bridge to heaven. The heaven means abode of God or place of God. And overtop the trees. These bows are built above the trees. Can you see the trees here? They are built above the trees. And builds a road from earth to sky.